Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zoom AI Companion in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. After the meeting starts, click the Take Notes button in the top right corner. This will open the My Notes panel on the right side of the screen. Here you can create meeting notes and keep important information organized during the meeting. You can click inside the Type Here if desired box and write notes manually. For example, you can write the meeting agenda, important discussion points, reminders, or follow-up tasks. Zoom AI Companion can help organize meeting information and keep everything in one place. Depending on your Zoom account and plan, AI-powered note-taking and meeting summaries may also be available. You can continue adding notes while the meeting is in progress, and your notes remain associated with the meeting for future reference. This feature is useful for business meetings, online classes, team discussions, project meetings, interviews, and presentations because you can keep track of important information without switching between different apps. You can also combine this feature with live captions and transcripts to make your meeting documentation more organized and easier to review later. After the meeting is finished, you can review your notes and use them to remember important decisions and action items. Please remember that some AI Companion features may vary depending on your Zoom account, organization settings, and subscription plan. That's how you can use Zoom AI Companion in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.